In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove audio from a video in CapCut. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm going to show you that I have this particular file that I'm working right here. And what we are going to do from this point forward is just simply tap on it. Now, there are two options, and I'm going to go ahead and show you both ways. So the first thing is you're going to mute it, and you can just go over and basically scroll this icon right here until you see the volume. Go ahead and click that one, and then you can just go ahead and adjust this to 0 just like so, and then hit this check icon here in order to confirm this one. Now, another way in order for us to get this done is just by scrolling down here. Once again, make sure that your clip is selected, and then you're going to look for the option that says extract audio. Go ahead and click that over there, and you should be able to see here the audio extracted. Now go ahead and click the audio and then choose to delete this one right here, and then if you're going to play this one, you shouldn't be able to hear any audio from the video anymore. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.